Is Mr. Daniel agus a-mach a Stornoway.
Is MhicNeacail agus a-muigh wa Stornoway.
Is Mr. Daniel agus a-mach a feadh an Stornoway.
Is Mr. Campbell agus a-mach a Ghearradh. Is Mr. Lucas agus a-mach a Papal.
Is Mr. Rudy agus a-mach ó Ghearradh.
Is Mr. Ryan agus a-mach fót na bhach. Fhiolm cruibh popitíos, fashion gimagolach.
Thrasig mí in co-upstairs agus habig scar acum.
Bhfuil in chéile acum an cruibh agus bhaith cort.
MhicNeacail ag paranoid le Campbell agus fast dorach agus chunú go féking agus MhicNeacail a-mach an A&E son céthir uair.
Bí mí a Ghearradh Chruaidh. In túras bfu mí a Leòdhais an san sin agus bfu Daniel a léim a-muigh.
Oh no! Michael!
Bí mar sin cónaí buile cruibh. Bí mí bheoch an cónaí buile cruibh. Seán cruibh a bhís thuú duine an cónaí buile. Tá mar sé a déanamh ceatúir agus gábhí a thula duine hafas an déanamh bain rátham. Tháinig mí dhéag in jump agus landaigh mí ana hó agus chead an a brakes ac an róbha. So chead mí sa seo, take off ana hó, take box agus ná sin ragdó ana seo. Ba mí becin scared agus chead an mí mountain bike ar son le bliana son MhicNeacail an. Táisiigh mí ríist ar son chinna mí an bike acum agus ba mí díoch ma seo waiste bike fé mí fáin ar sé agus bhaid really fun. So ha mí cum dul agus an mí planning stuff in the ríist.
They're part to have this quick life harsh road.
Kind of harsh machine, machine and Connie carrying on a shop.
I don't really feel like a man in pub near by me touch like that. Especially in a whole new clock from after show some man the kind of I guess messenger the ball from show.
In the airport cúideach chuig gaibh le bhí cuimh ceart ar BaidhsaGaels.
Man, daily. Hi, go my family son go out. Kitchen sitting, kitchen machine. Machine and Connie does jack. I just been man. Fishing and pump, and fishing and pump, and fishing and pump eile. So next fishing job, change jack, a hula lags, pump.
Cycling, I've been involved in cycling for many years, and the whole business kind of came about from more and more people asking me to fix their bikes or build up their Christmas bikes, and all of a sudden I thought, well, there's an opportunity here for bringing my passion forward. One of the big things was for it to become this sort of meeting point. To be honest, not just for cyclists, but also for just general visitors coming into, for the cafe and what have you. And it always pleases me because that's really where the building and the business has kind of developed, and we get these young guys turning up all the time, and it's got to a point now that their parents, we had one child's mum, I don't think it was any one of you guys, but the mother phoned us up to see if her son was here because she couldn't get a hold of him, and she knew that he would be here if she could get a hold of him, and funnily enough he was. So.
Cún agus carson a thuirsigh sibh Rothaireachd?
Aspiration. Agus a-mach go bhfuil trails on, is in junction.
Oh man, Daniel, adult man, big jumps and bicycle.
Backfish.
Meisteach a còrdadh YouTube videos agus mé Ghearradh give this a go. This family Ghearradh a-mach leis Daniels, Rudy's, Campbell in law agus family Leòdhais family na seart leis.
They have ordered of me.
Tarraing.
I'll run across.
I'm Ghearradh Chruaidh.
Next.
I'm Ghearradh fun.